Hello, brilliant parents. It's Dr. Sheila, and today we're talking about something powerful that should be happening in your household: the importance of reading and how you can help your child create their own amazing story. The book, Every Amazing Story by Coy, Bowles, and Malcolm wasn't just a fun book. It's a reminder that every child has a story worth telling. When you read with your child, we're not just teaching them how to sound out words. We're building their imagination, their confidence, and their creativity. Research shows that children who are read to regularly, they do better in school. They develop stronger language skills and grow into lifelong learners. So, beyond all that, reading also builds a connection between you and your child. It's quality time, love, and learning all wrapped up into one. So here's the fun part. You can take what Coy and Malcolm did in Every Amazing Story and do it right at your home. In the book, they show how a story comes together by figuring out the character, the setting, the plot, and the conflict. That's something you can help your child do too. So here's a simple activity you can try this week. Have your child write their own amazing story. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Ask your child who they would like to be the characters in their story. Maybe it's themselves, a pet, or even a superhero version of your family. Step 2. Choose the setting. Where the story would take place. At the park, in outer space, or at grandma's house or school. Anywhere their imagination leads. And also ask them what time of day it takes place. Step 3. Talk about what happens first, next, last. That's your plot. And then step 4, add a little challenge to it. Maybe someone's trying to solve a problem. This is your conflict. Maybe something is missing or someone learns a big lesson in the story. Again, that's your conflict. Now, step 5, grab some paper, 3 to 5 more sheets of paper, some crayons, markers. Let your child draw. Let them be the illustrator because it's their book. And then help them to write the words for the story. Then when it's finished, take it to the local printer or office supply store to have it printed and bound. That makes it even more special than stapling it together. Your child will feel proud holding their own book in their hand. It's their very own book. It's their amazing story. This simple activity connects creativity to literacy and helps your child see reading and writing as something joyful, not just academic. When you model reading and storytelling, your child learns that books are not just for school. They're adventures, lessons, and mirrors that reflect their brilliance. So grab some paper, pencils, and a big imagination and help your child create their own amazing story. You're strengthening their love for reading and build memories that last a lifetime because you're doing it with them. Remember, parents, you're your child's biggest fan. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with other parents. Someone may need this encouragement or need these activities to do at home as well. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.